Let me share my business model with you, my formula with you. The very same formula that I teach all my students across the world.
To boost your income, learn to become from someone who has done the thing that you want, son.
What's up, Believe Nation? It's Evan. I believe in you, and this channel is designed to be a part of your daily success routine. So today, let's learn how to make $100 a day with Dan Lok. Also, if you want to know what Dan and other successful entrepreneurs have to say about building unstoppable confidence, check out my 254 Confidence series, where every day for the next 254 days, I will send you a morning video for free to help you build your confidence. The link to join is in the description below.
After you practice martial art, you develop this natural self-confidence. Not cockiness, but you develop this natural self-confidence. So everybody is chasing the next thing, the next big thing, the next shiny object. When what I do or what my students do is we are using the oldest ways to make money. See, most people, they're looking at it, yet they're stepping over dollars to pick up dimes. What I'm talking about? I'm talking about the good old telephone. That's right, the good old phone. Simple tool to make $100 a day. Let me share my business model with you, my formula with you. The very same formula that I teach all my students across the world. The high ticket closing methodology. Here's how it's gonna work. Imagine this. There are companies out there. Nowadays, it costs more than ever to acquire customers. So most companies, you notice there's advertising is costing more money than ever because it's more competitive than ever in the marketplace. So a lot of companies, when they are selling any kind of product, most product under $200, most of the time, those are what I call the initial product, that they are using those products in the marketplace. Companies, entrepreneurs, they're selling these products hopefully to develop a relationship with a customer. It's to break the wallet and just start the relationship, start the conversation. All the money is made after that $200 is spent. When they realize, hey, you know what? Once my customer trusts our brand, trusts our company, now we can follow up with them and offer them other products and services that are at the $2,000, $3,000, $5,000, $10,000, $20,000, $25,000 or more. That's where the money is made. Here's the problem. Those offers, I refer them as high ticket offers. $5,000, $10,000, $25,000, $50,000. Those sales, they need to be closed on the phone. Very rarely people buy something at that kind of price point looking at a video or just looking at a website. They need to have that one-on-one conversation. So what does that have to do with you? That's where you come in. Imagine this. Let's say you are closing for a company or you're closing for an entrepreneur. Let's say their offer is $1,000. And if you're a good closer, you have good closing skill, they are willing to pay you $100, which is 10% of the sale, 10% commission. That's $100. So I want you to think about it. If you're closing some of these packages, some of these products and services, $1,000, you make $100 a sale, that's $100 a day. All you need to do is what? To make one single sale a day. That's it. One single sale a day, you get your $100. What is your cost? Zero. How many websites you have to build? Zero. How many products you have to buy? Zero. Why? Because you're not selling your own products, you're not selling your own offers, you're selling other people's offers. The company, the influencer, the entrepreneur, they are doing all the marketing. They're doing all the lead generation. They're driving all the traffic. They are building the funnel. They are creating content. They're writing a blog. They're creating videos. They're doing the press release. They're doing 90% of the work, but yet they don't make the money until someone like you and me get on the phone and close those high ticket sales. This is one of those very rare skills that you can make your $100 a day with no expense and no overhead. Now, you may be thinking, well, Dan, are you talking about being like an annoying telemarketer? Does that mean I have to cold call people? Does that mean I have to do a lot of prospecting? Oh my God, like I can't do that. I'm a shy person. I'm not very talkative. It's not about none of that shit. I am talking about talking to people who have put up their hand. I'm talking about talking to prospects who have gone through a series of steps, who have filled an application form and then book a time to speak with you as a high ticket closer, and then you close those sales. That's what I teach. Zero cold calling, has nothing to do with building a website. You don't have to do anything online, and you don't have to cold call a single person. That's the power of high ticket closing.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. This is still a new series that I'm testing out, so I'd love to get your feedback. Do you like it? Do you want me to continue? Do you want me to find more of this make money opportunities? Do you want me to find more of these videos with people teaching you how to make more money? Let me know in the comments below.
Hi, this is Dan Lok. If you're a fan of Evan's work, if you want to know exactly how to model my success, I want to invite you to join me for a special online training. All you have to do is click on the link below. You can join me for absolutely no charge. So click on the link below and I will see you in class.
Continue to believe, and I'll see you there.